Night is Navy's birthday eve. Our tradition to make a cake and just decorate the whole house. Need about 15, 20.
There's no way I'm blowing it
We're going to attempt to make a monster truck cake. I don't know how we're going to do that. He didn't request that. We're on pumping up this monster truck racetrack, so we're going to just do squares. Do you reckon I measure or no?
Rectangles, not squares.
Well, it can't be a rectangle if it's...
But you're going to cut both there and there and there. Put that there.
It's going to be a long night with this guy. Apparently red and green don't make blue. Big Eddie forgot about his steak.
Mate.
It actually was your fault.
Every time you mix something, it just flings everywhere over the kitchen. You are not.
Don't tell me.
You are not. So much water in there.
He's forgotten his steak again. I don't know how that happened.
Do it, you can do
It
it.
stuck to my hand. I give up. I give up. Thank you.
So I just went from the side.
Do we need helium? Oh my god, it's individual letters. Is this joking? How are you going?
I'm going. Why do you like saying it is my fault? I don't understand why you like saying it is my fault.
That's incredible. Babe, the lamb cutlets.
That's smart.
This is the final piece. Just think it was a lazy thing to do.
Hey, rather than criticize mine,
Good job.